Oh. Well, let's ride this wave. Here we go. This boat handles it with ease. So stable, as I've said in all my previous videos when I'm kayaking. This boat is amazingly stable. I believe that's St Herberts Island right over there. Right there. So I'm just going to keep paddling. I'm thinking, do I go over now and get rid of the stuff and just set up my little base? I think I am going to do that because it is lunchtime and I'm hungry. So I recently purchased the Itiwit double-bladed paddle. It is really good, especially when you're solo kayaking. The only thing is you get wet. But it's so much easier to make ground when you're against the wind, but you can see how wet all my gear's getting. Just drips all on you. It doesn't matter if you obviously ain't got loads of kit in the bag. Yeah, I think I might switch back, but it's just as easy as flicking that. Stick that in there. Stick that in there. And get my one back. Oh, that's a lot more civilized. That is the island in front there. We're getting much closer. I reckon another maybe 20 minutes and I'll be there. It's quite a long paddle. I am on my own, but I'm not rushing. Bit of a headwind. Just enjoying this beautiful weather. But I am getting hungry. I see a big group right in the front of the island, but what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to paddle up to the island and I'm going to skirt around the right side of the island and just go around the island, just find my own little mooring up spot, hopefully, because I'd love to find a hammock spot like right next to the water, a place where I can take my kayaking nice and easy on my own. I've brought my camo cover for my kayak later on, so I'm not too visible. This boat is bright orange on the side, so which is good. Other vessels can see me when they're coming along, but when you're stealth camping, you don't want to be seen, do you? And a big bright orange boat is not exactly stealth. Made it through the gap. This is much bigger than the island I was staying on Coniston, Peel Island. Hiya, you right? So I think I found my little beach just here. Let's get in there. Oh, toilet paper. Take your shit home with you, please. I'll be taking mine out. If I'm lucky though, I won't need to go, because I went earlier. So that's my camo cover on. I know it's not complete security, but it keeps my bags away from eyes while I'm just looking around. This is beautiful, this woodland. It's so cool in here compared to on the water. Yew trees, oak trees, ash trees, huge ash tree. I think this is the very front of the island now where I skirted round, which is really busy. Although later tonight could be quiet, because I'd love to set my hammock up in a view like this, with a view like this. That's a big launch spot, dock spot, so I'm not going to go there. So let's head back. I think my little area where I said it's that island toilet definitely smells. So I'm going to find a new spot. I'd love to be on the shore with a view over the lake with my hammock on a not so busy spot. Obviously I'll be able to find that later tonight when there's less people on the island. Although this tree to that tree maybe that's a pretty nice spot. Friggin' tent poles, all sorts of litter. I think that's the problem with wild camping, that some people, the minority, just don't care and leave whatever. What's that? Oh, I'll take that. But yeah, I feel like us wild campers, we all get tainted with the same brush. When I was wild camping last week on Peel Island, this woman turned up and she was just really rude in the way she was acting with us, and I'm guessing that she's just seen too many fire pits left like that and rubbish, and just thinks that all wild campers do that when it's actually the minority. I've loaded up the boat. I'm going to move to that spot on the sunny side of the island. Slightly windier, but nice and sunny, and doesn't smell like poop. So I'm going to head over there. I'm going to try and carry this into the water like this without pouring it on the water. Oh, hello ducks. Yeah, hopefully we can set up over here because it's a lovely little sheltered spot. like we're not going to see any jets. We're going to hear loads of jets, but we can't see them. So I think I am going to stick to the plan and go from this branch, or possibly that branch, to this tree. I've managed to not break this, just fold it and bend it and tuck it into some other foliage over there, and I'll spring it back when I'm out. But I think I'm going to go for a little swim, enjoy some of that sunshine. My Snug Pack XL jungle blanket. My Trangia stove. My fuel. Hammock slings. That's my hammock. DD frontline hammock, and then there's also the hammock sleeve and the spreader bars. I think a set of spare slings, just in case I forgot these. My DD under blanket. This is all like pegs, line, just paracord, all sorts of stuff in there. And my DD super light tarp, which I might set up soon. I'm going to do the hammock first and see if it fits. If I can get the hammock set up, then I know I'll be able to get the tarp up, I hope. And then what have I got in top here? Oh, a bug hat, but not too bad at the moment. Coffees, yeah, just that sort of stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much all brought, apart from, yes, see my wet shoes, a hat that's drying out, my chair, the boat. Got some food in there, just like pasta and sauce and some bread and stuff. I've got a fleece and a rain jacket in there, and some other clothes. That's all my GoPro stuff, buoyancy aid, towels, and lots of water. Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but the weatherman is saying that there is 0 chance of rain and the wind's gonna drop completely. So I don't think I'm gonna set my tarp up. I might still put a ridge line up, and then if I do have to, I can just chuck it over the ridge line. But yeah, that's me set up now. I've got my underquilt on, jungle blanket inside. The one thing I did forget was a pillow, so I'm sure I can find some clothing or something to put me on my head. You don't really need it too much in a hammock anyway. But I think I'm gonna cook some food, sit in the chair, just enjoy the views. Jesus. So I've lost my Trangia tongs, so I'm using my Gerber, but that's where I've got for start of dinner. First round of pasta, and that's just pesto pasta. It's heated up in a couple of minutes. I'm going to eat that and sit and enjoy the view. Oh, I think I heard voices. Might have a little scout around in a minute and see if there's anyone else camping on the island. So I've made a coffee, have a little wander around the island. Let's see if I'm alone. In fact, let's stick you on a time warp while I'm walking around. You've walked around this island enough with me. Probably don't want to do it again. So I'm not the only one on the island. Wow, the only one camping. There's a group of kayakers over there. The glasses back up. I have just realised that I haven't bought a head torch or a normal torch or any torch apart from obviously my phone torch. So I'm so glad that I did bring my lantern, which I am going to light now. I know it's still light, but there's plenty of oil in it, and it'll keep the midges away because I've got some citronella oil in there, and there's a lot of midges around at the moment, and I'm already covered in bites from a week of camping. They love me, so I don't want to get any more. I might put my trousers on as well. So what I've decided to do is put my tarp but just on the back. I'm not going to have it over the top at all, so I'll still have a night sky view, but I'll be blocked from that side. So if anyone else is camping in here, you know, I'll have a wall beyond me, well, my tarp, so I won't be visible on that side. But also, I've fallen to sleep a few nights now when the weather's been like this, and then about 3 or 4 in the morning it's torrential, even though it's not predicted. I don't want to risk it. But it is getting dark. I wish I had my torch, so I'm going to get all this done now. So see you in a minute. Really nice with the sourdough bread. These bats are amazing. Hope you can see them. One just whizzed right past my head a minute ago, that's why I turned on the GoPro. Oh, they're so acrobatic in the air. Oh, he just like literally did a circle around me, like in front of me. Come and clean those midges. Yeah, I can't believe I've only got this, because what I was planning to do is leave this there and then go for a little night paddle. But I don't fancy doing that now, because if I just looking at the bat still, if this goes out, which you know is a possibility, I don't want to be searching around the island to find my, you can't even see it, but that's where my setup is. The other people are over there somewhere, but I do want to have a little walk around. But as you can see, without a torch you guys would be able to see nothing. Sounds like they're having fun, but it's bedtime for me. I'm going to have an early start tomorrow because I'm heading back home. But yeah, I've really enjoyed it today. You can't see what I'm seeing, but the stars are out. I've just seen a really, really cool shooting star. So I'm going to get in the hammock and just continue stargazing. But I'll see you guys in the morning. So that is the boat all packed away, all my gear on there. Just make sure it don't float away. But it's crystal clear this morning. It's like glass. I've left no trace. I heard the other campers this morning cleaning up all their mess as well, which is really good. So yeah, I'm going to paddle back. It's been a lovely night. Let's get on the water and see what the sun's like. There's the island, St Herberts Island. I've put my t-shirt, sunglasses, sun hat back on. Got out of sort of sleeping mode, back onto the water mode. It's such a beautiful morning. I'm just taking a nice, easy, gentle paddle back to the van, load up the van, maybe get some breakfast and head home. But the journey is almost over. Thank you for those of you that are stuck around. Really appreciate it. But yeah, I'm going to keep going, so see you soon. So I did meet the other islanders last night. I heard lots of noise. It sounded like they were playing hide and seek. And they were like getting closer and closer to my setup. I still had my oil lantern going at this point, because that's my only source of light. And I think they were trying to hide, and there was about 4 of them all with head torches. And they didn't see me for ages, and they were literally right about to come around a bush and they'd be right in front of me. And they did do that. They had to go around the water as well to do that. One person giving a girl a piggyback just came around the corner. And I was like, hiya. And they're like, oh, sorry. And we're just playing sardines. And I was like, okay. I don't know what sardines is. And they was like, you're welcome to come and have a beer with us. But I was like, I'm alright. I'm chilled. So, yeah, they were playing sardines. They played a few rounds. I had to Google what it was, and it's like hide and seek. When you find the person that's hiding, you just join them until there's one person left, I think. Sounds fun. But they played a few rounds of that last night. It was quite loud, but it was fun to listen to them having fun. So I am almost back now. The green bank where I docked is just about there. I didn't record any of the setup because it was really busy. A kind gentleman helped me put it on the water, actually, I think I said. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you can, I'd say definitely check this area out, it's beautiful. But thank you everyone for watching, and see you soon.